color, new dimension, new value, and a new experience.
Guys, this is me again. I know I promised you guys that I'm gonna talk a little bit more about this beautiful chaser. So anyways, it made about 712 horsepower, 19 pounds of boost. Today we're running a little bit more than that, about 25. My butt dyno says probably at least 800. Lights and tires up in third and fourth. Pretty sure that's more than enough power, obviously. So I'm probably gonna open it up a little bit. Hopefully don't get pulled over. Obviously we're in Mexico. Don't mind the race brakes. This guy. We're gonna talk about it a little bit more once we're at the shop, and we'll show you all the goodies. I'm going to talk a little bit about the motor, what I've done to it, turbo setup, transmission, rear diff. Start with the motor. It's a 1.5JZ, 2J block, 1J head, real street crank caps, Manley rods, CP pistons, obviously OEM 2JZ crank, more than enough power for what we need. We got 2JZ belts. I ported the head. You can literally put a golf ball through those holes. That was perfect. For the cams, stage 3 BC cams, Ferreira valves, titanium valve springs and retainers. Easily rev it to 85, maybe 9,000 if I want to. I just set it 75. Has so much power, I don't even think I need to rev it that high. For the turbo, you got a GTX 4202, good for about 1,300 horsepower. For the amount of boost we're running, we're not even getting anywhere close to the efficiency zone, which is 40 pounds and up. So we're running about 23 pounds. When it made, we will post the video of the dyno run. It made 712 horsepower, 19 pounds of boost, super safe, E85. I hardly ran any timing in it. And it still made 712 and 585 pound of torque. And the R154 basically has billet shifters. It has a steel washer, which is what always fails at about 600 pound of torque. Upgraded gears, upgraded synchros, heavy duty synchros. Everything else in that transmission is pretty much the same. Gears are stock, the input output shaft are stock. Gearing is more than long enough. It goes about, fourth gear can do 100. We are using ECU Master, it's fully tuned ECU Master, it does everything with that. It was a little bit chilly outside, we decided to bring the car inside and finish this video. I wanted to talk more about the car. So, for example, we're using the 1650cc injectors from Injector Dynamics. They work really good, idled amazing. We are using 2 Bosch fuel pumps for the surge tank. Let me show you guys. See, as you guys see, I have the surge tank right there. The OEM pump inside the tank is feeding the surge tank, and the tank is feeding both pumps with this very nice fuel rail from Radium, and it goes to the, obviously just a gauge to show me how much pressure we're running, to a nice big filter, and it goes straight to the front where it feeds the injectors. So that's for the fuel system. There's a few other things that we did. We were using Skyline rear 2-piston caliper, and front 6 piston calipers for the front brakes. As you guys see, trust me, when you're making that much power, you'd want to stop really quick. So this is the dyno graph for the Chaser. It made a little bit more power on one of the runs, but it didn't go through. Anyways, it made 710 horsepower on right here and 579 foot-pound of torque at only 19 psi boost. We're running about 25 right now. It's probably making a lot more. It's a lot smoother. We had a couple of hiccups that I had to fix, and it's all sorted. But yeah, obviously we are getting our own dyno. It will be set right here. I'm getting a Mustang dyno, 2-wheel drive. So it made 710 or 712 at 19 pounds of boost. I will definitely break those numbers on my own dyno once it arrives in a week or so, and I'll get back to you guys and we'll show you some dyno runs.